morning students. Today we will solve question number 7 of problem set 3. Now the question is, in an AP the first term is minus 5 and the last term is 45. If the sum of all the numbers in an AP is 120, that means sum of all the terms is 120, then how many terms are there and what is the common difference? This is what we have to find out. So what is given? That is first term a is equal to as minus 5 given, and nth term is given as nth term is equal to as 45. This is what is given. Now, and it is further given that sum of all the terms of an AP, sum of n terms is equal to as 120. This is what given. So, using the sum of n terms, you have generally we use the formula as n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula we use. But we have got another formula that when first term and the last term, nth term, first term and the nth term is last term is given, then we can use this formula, that is sum of n terms is equal to n by 2 into first term plus the nth term. So therefore this is equal to as n. Here we don't know what it is n, but we know the sum of n terms is 120. 120 is equal to as n by 2 into first term is given as minus 5 and the nth term is given as plus 45. So if we solve this, we get it as n by 2 into, both the numbers have different signs, subtract and put the sign of the greater number, so it is equal to 40. 2 ones are 2 2s, so it is 20n is equal to as 120. So therefore n will be equal to as 120 by 20. 0 0 cancels, so therefore n is equal to as 6. We got that is how many terms are there. Therefore 6 terms are there in the AP. Therefore 6 terms are there in the AP, in the given AP. Now what is the common difference? To find out the common difference, we have got see the last term or the first term also. Nth term formula we will use to find the common difference. Nth term is equal to as a plus n minus 1 into d. Now that is the sixth term value. Nth term, there are only 6 terms. So sixth term is equal to as a is minus 5. Yes, a is, therefore here a is minus 5 and plus n here is 6 minus 1 into d. But sixth term value, that is the nth term value, is equal to as 45. This is equal to minus 5 plus here 5d. So 5, when I bring this 5 this side, this is 45 plus 5 equal to 5d. So 5d is equal to as 50. So d will be equal to as 50 by 5. Therefore d is equal to as 10. Therefore common difference is equal to 10, and how many terms? That is 6 terms are there in the AP. This is the solution of this question. Now let us solve next question, that is question number 9. 8th question, it's easy enough, you can solve it by yourself. Now 9th question is, divide 207 in 3 parts. That is 3 consecutive parts we can take, consecutive terms of an AP, such that all parts are in AP. That means we can take the 3 parts as 3 consecutive terms of an AP. And second condition given that product of 2 smaller parts, that is first consecutive term and the second consecutive term, product of 2 smaller parts will be 4623. This is the second condition given. So according to first condition, that is sum of 3 consecutive terms is given as 207. So let us take, let the 3 parts let the three parts of the AP be as the three consecutive terms of an AP. The three consecutive terms of an AP. Therefore, we get, therefore the three terms are A minus D, A and A plus D. These are three consecutive terms. So by first condition given that sum of three terms is equal to as 207. Therefore, A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 207. Removing the brackets, we get A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 207. Now minus D plus D cancels. We are left with 3 times of A is equal to 207. So A value is equal to 207 by 3. Therefore A is equal to as 3 6 is 18, 19, 20, 3 9 is 27. Therefore we get value of A is equal to as 69. Now we have got value of A equal to as 69. So taking this value, now we go to the next condition, and product of two smaller parts will be 4623. That means smaller parts is A minus D and A. So by second condition that is A minus D into A smaller, product of smaller two terms is equal to as 4623. Now we know the value of A. Yes, take it as 0.1. So A value is equal to as 69. So substitute A value here as 69 minus D into 69 is equal to as 4623. Now the easiest way to solve this is to 69 minus D, keep it as it is. It is multiplied by this bracket, so I will take this side, so it gets divided 4623 by 69. Now when I divide there, I will cancel it. 3 to the 6, 6 is the 9, 3 1 the 3, carry 1, 3 5 the 15, carry 1, 3 4 the 12, 3 1 the 3. So 69 minus D is equal to as 1541 by 23. So this, if I divide this 1541 by 23, see 23 into 7, if I take 7 3s are 21, carry 2, 7 to the 14, it is 16. So it is 161. So 23 into 6 if I take 6 3s is 18, carry 1, 6 to the 12, 1 30. So therefore here 6 it is 138. Subtract this, you will get this as 6 and 4 minus 3 is 1. So bring down this 161. 7 23, 7 is 161 minus 0 0 we get. So therefore here when we cancel it, the 69 minus D is equal to, as we cancel this, we are going to get 67. Now what is D equal to? D value will be equal to minus D. It's minus D here is equal to 67 minus this 69 you transfer. So we get minus D is equal to minus 2. Minus minus cancel. Therefore D value is equal to as 2. So this is what we had to find out for this. Therefore, the three terms of the AP are here as first one, that is, therefore the three terms of the AP, that is A minus D, A and A plus D, that is equal to, as A is here 69, 69 minus 2, then next one is 69 and then next again 69 plus 2. So therefore it is equal to, as we have the terms as 69 minus 2 is 67, 69 and 71. These are the three terms of the AP. Now let us solve the next question, that is question number 10. There are 37 terms of an AP. The sum of the middle three terms is given as 225 and the sum of the last three terms is 429. So find the AP. We have to find the AP. So here what is given, that is n is equal to, as there are 37 terms. This is what is given. N is equal to as 37. So we have to find out the middle term, that is by first condition sum of middle three terms is 225. So let us find first the middle term. Middle term of the AP is equal to as n plus 1 by 2. So n is here 37 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 38 by 2 and that will be equal to as 19. That means 19th term is the middle term. So by first condition, therefore by first condition that is sum of the middle three terms, that is middle three terms, this is the very exactly middle one, 19th term. So 18, 19 and 20th term. So 18th term plus 19th term plus 20th term is equal to as 225. This is what is given. So we know that nth term formula is equal to as A plus n minus 1 into D. According to the formula, here 18th term will be equal to as A plus n is what? 18 here. 18 minus 1 is 17D. In the same manner, 19th term will be equal to as A plus n is here 19. 19 minus 1 is 18D. In the same manner, 20th term will be equal to as A plus, this is n is 20, 20 minus 1 is, that is 19D. So this is equal to as 225. Now, here from this, here we have got A plus A plus A, that is 3 times of A, plus 17 plus 18 plus 19 is 17 plus 18 plus 19. It is 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 24. 24 plus this is 3, 4, 5, 54. So this is 54D is equal to as 225. Now we have got this as a linear equation in two variables. So let us keep in this form, or we can divide the equation by 3. So it will be A plus 3, 1, 3, 4, 5, 3, 8, 24, 18D is equal to as 3, 7, 21, carry 1, 3, 5, 15. So this is by dividing the equation by 3. We got it in this form. So let us take this as 0.1. Now we come to the second condition. What is given, that is this, and the sum of the last three terms is 429. So by second condition we have got, that is sum of the last three terms. So totally there are how many terms here? 37 terms. So last three terms will be 35, 36, 37. So these are the last three terms. So therefore here by second condition, that is 35th term plus 36th term plus 37th term is equal to as 429. 429. That is sum of the last three terms is 429. So, as we have come to the condition of equation 1, in the same manner, we are using the nth term value, that is nth term formula, we can find the values of that is 35th term. So it is a plus n is here 35, 35 minus 1 is 34d we will get, plus again a plus this is 35d plus this is here a plus this is 36d is equal to as 429. So here again a plus a is 3a. 3a plus. Now add this 34, 35 and 36. 10, 15 carry 1, 5, 9, 1, 10. 105d is equal to as 429. So now again we can divide this equation by 3. So therefore when we divide it by 3 we will get it as a plus 3 3 is the 9, 3 5 is the 15 is equal to 3 1 the 3 carry 1 3 4 the 12 3 3 is the 9. This is we got it by divide the equation by 3. Take this as 0.2. Now in 0.1 and 0.2 we have got two linear equations in two variables. This is a linear equation in two variables. This is also linear equation in two variables. So linear equations in two variables we can simultaneously solve it using the simultaneous method. So we'll solve this. So we'll subtract equation C. Coefficient of A is 1 here. Coefficient of A again here is 1 in equation 2. Therefore we can subtract equation 2 from 1. So subtract equation 2 from 1. So write equation 1 first, that is A plus 18D is equal to as 75. Equation 1. Then A plus 35D is equal to as 143. This is equation 2. Subtract it. We have to change the sign. Therefore, A gets cancelled here. This is 35 minus 18. We will get 35 minus 18. 7. This is 2. Here 1. 17D. Sign of the greater number. 17D is equal to as 143 minus 75. 8. This is here 3. So 13 minus 7 is 6. So it is sign of the greater number 68. Now both the sides same sign. So cancel it. Now we have got 17D is equal to 68. So D is equal to 68 by 17. So 17 into 4 are 4 7 28 carry 2 4 the 4 5 6. So therefore D is equal to as 4. We got the value of D. Now the question is there are 37 terms of an AP. The sum of the middle 3 terms is 225 and the sum of the last 3 terms is 429. So find the AP. To find the AP now we have got D value. We will find the A value also. So substituting D value. Substituting D is equal to as 4 in equation 1. So write equation 1, that is A plus 18D is equal to as 75. This is equation 1. So A plus 18 into D value is 4 is equal to 75. So A plus 4 at the 32 carry 3 4 on the 4 5 6 7. 72 is equal to 75. So A is equal to as 75 minus 72. So A is equal to as 3. We got the value of A is equal to as 3. Now it is very easy to find the AP. Therefore, the AP is equal to as. Therefore, the AP is first term is what? 3. Next term is C. A plus D. That is A plus D is 3 plus 4 is 7. Next one again 7 plus again common difference you go on adding in this, that is 7 plus 4 is 11, then 11 plus 4 is 15 and so on. So this is the AP which we have to find out for this question.